Okay, what's up, guys? It's Justin4024 here again. I'm just saying, okay, the video that I said I'll give a giveaway. Yeah, I wanna update you guys on that. Okay, first of all, in my a video that I have yet to upload, which is me opening 2 packs of BTO6. I got Dragonic Kaiser Vermilion divider that I'm not, giving for the giveaway because I don't collect that. I'll keep it. So yeah. And for the first prize, if you pick a Jabbar, you also can pick a Negator as well. Second prize, double R and a rare card. And third prize, I don't think there will be a third prize lah, because I'm not really that popular at all. It's like I'm just a kid, okay. But yeah, I'll try my best to deliver the cards to you. Like example, you can meet just name a place lah. I'll try and meet you there, because now it's the holidays. I mostly can go wherever I want. So yeah. If there is a third prize, it'll most likely be like a rare card and a common card. So yeah, the common. Wait, it's just a rare card lah. Just rare card. So yeah, I'll see you all next video.